Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a Christmas and winter special. A special and a favorite with all the kids. We're making hot chocolate. I know even adults love it, so I hope you enjoy this recipe. In my pan, I'm putting in some milk to heat. We want the milk to come to a boil. To that, I'm adding some chocolate. Once my milk is heated, I'm going to add in some chocolate. My chocolate has melted. To this, I'm going to add a little icing sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Our hot chocolate is ready to be served. I'm going to pour in my hot chocolate into my mug. To top my hot chocolate, I'm adding some mini marshmallows. So that's our hot chocolate. I've topped it with marshmallows. You could top it with whipped cream, sprinkles, chocolate sauce, hazelnut, whatever you like. So I hope you enjoy this winter and Christmas special as much my family and I do.